This guy is an incredible backhoe operator. The way he maneuvers that machine with such accuracy is impressive. He effortlessly picks up parts, covers manholes, and scrapes dirt, showcasing real talent. It's like he's playing a game, completely in control, turning heavy machinery into an extension of himself. Watching each precise movement come together is oddly satisfying. It's a blend of skill, control, and efficiency that's hard to ignore. If you want to stick around, watch this guy until the end of the video, and I guarantee you it's seriously satisfying.